Hello friends, now I'm going to show you how to create a transition meshing in Abaqus. So first of all, why we need transition meshes? When we need finer meshing in the area where we need to focus our attention, such as high stresses or where damage is more prominent, and we need coarser meshing where where attention is not needed. So this one here is your 1x2 kind of meshing. That means unit 1 distance is here and unit 2 here. Similarly, you can create mirror pattern of this and you can get a long chain of also. This one kind of meshing here is one third type, you can say. That means unit 3 distance here and unit 1 distance is here. I'm going to show you this one, and after that you can create easily after this one, and you can use whatever kind of meshing you can need in. You can create any kind of meshing you need. So let's jump onto the mesh. Let's say this is our part that we need to mesh, and below region we need higher finer meshing, and above side we need coarse meshing. So first of all we need to create a geometry, a sketch geometry. Let's say 0.5 mm here and above side of 1 mm. So you can create an array pattern with this. This is horizontal array of 1 mm of offset. That will give you a square. So you need to create this kind of pattern. Set OK. And now what you need to do is you need to seed the part. So how seeding is done? First let's say give everyone meshing 1, and there is your constant, do not allow the number of elements to change. So here we have assigned 1 seed to every corners. Then seed the part in alternate fashion. Say here is your 2 and here alternate. It is number of elements going to be 2, and do not allow the number of elements to change. Then what we are going to do, we are going to mesh control. We need structured and quad dominated. Then set OK to mesh that part, and this one here is your transition meshing. You can make more sketch. If you can go 0.5 to 1, 1 to 2, and 2 to 4. Similarly you can create for the 1/3 kind of meshing also. Let's give it a number 3, and here we need only 1 seed, and same quad dominated is already given. Now it will give you 1/3 kind of meshing style. So this one here is more simpler, and there is also another type that you can create by using assembly and joining all these points. So this one I have told you, which I found very simple, but other type you can also use. I don't know where it may be needed, but I will tell you. This is your least smallest element that you want. Go to mesh, and give it a. So this one, this kind of meshing I'm only showing on if there may be some specific kind of need, then this may be this may also require. Give this quad dominated and set OK. So this one here is your one kind of meshing, and then go to create mesh part. So what we are going to do, create mesh part of this. So this one here is your meshing. Go to the assembly and assemble this part. So you have seen here there are two kinds of, there are two type, one is independent type and one is dependent type. So if you are creating a meshed part already, that will fall under the dependent type of meshing. Go to the part, make it a copy of it. What you want to copy, mirror about, which plane you want to mirror about is YZ plane, and give this name part 1 mirror. So this one here is your mirror part. Go to the assembly again and select part 1 mirror. This one here is to move your element. So here I have two elements. Don't know why it's not mirrored. Let me see again. This one is your mirror type. And you can move this section from here to here. Now you have a one set of element that you can repeat or make array of it. So let's say you need to make an array, this one. So this is similar to the previous one. This will give you vertical offset, and this will give you horizontal offset of 10 mm of distance. So whatever distance you need, you can create. But after that, you need to join these parts. These points are not joined. So what you need to do is merge that geometry. Merging is done on both mesh and geometry. Original part you can either delete or suppress it. All remove duplicates, continue. So it has showing you the elements where nodes where they meet, and it will join these. The node highlighted in magneta will be merged. put OK to merge. Now this is your whole geometry. You cannot edit anything here. So and further you can go on like this. So here I have shown you two methods to create a transition meshing. Whichever you find easy, you can use it. Thank you. So by using previous two method, you can create a transition meshing. Recently I have used a new method which I found way more easier. That is why I am extending the video by using the new method. So first sketch the geometry. Let's say the minimum size of your meshing is 0.05. So 0.05 means this section will have elements of 0.05 mm. So the next will be 0.1. So this is your first element. Now we need to mirror this. Copy, pick the mirror line. Now what we do, we need to make array of this. So select the entities to pattern. Total length is 0.2.
So you can see the transition matching from point 0.05 to point 1 is done. Similarly, you can make for the larger say point 1 to point 2 and point 2 to point 4. So this is how you can create transition matching using the sketch geometry also.